As you continue working with OneNote, one feature that you might find helpful is the addition of a teacher-only section. The teacher-only section is a place that is set apart from the students. So it's a private area for only the teachers in the notebook. Using the teacher-only section allows you to keep materials out of view from the students. So it's a good area where you could plan your curriculum, where you could put activities that are being staged before you're ready to roll them out to your students. If you would like to put in your materials for the following unit or the following quarter, or a place that you want to keep communication. The teacher-only section can be set up exactly like your content library, meaning you could add as many sections as you want and name those sections, and in each of the sections you can add as many pages as you want. If you would like to add the teacher-only feature to a notebook that you already have, you simply need to go to Office 365. When you click on Office 365, you'll go to your class notebook icon, and then from there you will click on the button that says Manage Notebooks. After you click on Manage Notebooks, you're going to see a list of all of the notebooks that you have previously created. So all you need to do is scroll down to the notebook that you would like to work with and click on the link that says Enable Teacher Only Section Group. Once you click on that link, you'll see a green check mark and it will say it's enabled. You can then go and click on the purple notebook and it will launch OneNote again, and after it takes a minute to sync up, you will see that the teacher only section becomes available for you to use.